Hello guys, so today we will perform the assay of ammonium chloride by acid-base titration. Our requirements would be chemicals required, ammonium chloride sample, sodium hydroxide, glycerol, phenolphthalein indicator. Glassware required would be burette, pipette, conical flask, funnel, beaker, glass rod. The equipment required would be weighing balance. Our principle would be ammonium chloride is an expectorant, diuretic and systematic acidifier. It is an acidic salt which reacts with formaldehyde to liberate free acid. That free acid reacts with sodium hydroxide. The endpoint can be detected by using phenolphthalein as an indicator. Reaction involved in this preparation of reagent and solutions. First, preparation and standardization of sodium hydroxide 0.1 molar. B. Titration and all dry glassware as per standard laboratory procedure. Second, rinse the burette with distilled water and then pre-rinse it with the portion of NaOH solution before you fill it up to for titration. Pre-rinsing is necessary to ensure that 0.1 gram of ammonium chloride in conical flask and dissolve in 20 ml distilled water. Add a mixture of 5 ml formaldehyde and 20 ml distilled water. Add 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator and allow it to stand for 2 minutes. Then fill the burette with standardized NaOH solution. Start the titration with NaOH until it reach the endpoint. The first titration should be performed by addition of 0.50 ml portion of NaOH solution from burette with fluiding. The approach of the endpoint is suggested by temporary appearance of pink color that fades where the solution is swirled for up to 10 seconds. A pink color that persists for more than 30 seconds signals the actual endpoint. Note: the solution may lose its color after 30 seconds or more, but it is not considered. The first titration gives a rough idea of amount of NaOH needed to neutralize the free HCl. Record the reading of burette. Repeat the titration 3 times to get precise reading. For this, we can add about 70% of needed NaOH quickly, and then near the end add NaOH 1 drop at a time until the endpoint is observed. Take mean of them and calculate the percentage purity of ammonia, phenolphthalein indicator, and formaldehyde. Sodium hydroxide 4 gram and ammonium chloride. Dissolve the sodium hydroxide in distilled water and we will make up a water. So this is the second time we are doing this process. We are gonna rinse our burette with NaOH solution for the second time. So first we will rinse the burette twice with NaOH solution to avoid any error. So we will fill our burette with NaOH solution up to the 0 mark. So as you can see, our burette is filled up to 0 mark. Now we will take 20 ml of distilled water in a measuring cylinder. The 20 ml distilled water in a conical 0.1 gram ammonium chloride in 20 ml distilled water. 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator in our analyte. With the analyte till our endpoint is obtained, that is our indicator will change the color. Thank you for joining us with our titration. If you like the video, please share, comment and like. Thank you.